we learned about how to create and add components in Angular application. So we discussed about various methods of adding components by using inline technique, by using code behind technique, and by using CLI commands. So we learned about various options. Next important, after understanding about components, how to deal with them, means the basic point about them. Now we need to learn very important concept about components. So very important about the components. So that is, you need to understand about how the concept of data binding works. Data binding in Angular. That is very important point. So we learned about how to design component. And in the components, we need to now know about how to handle data binding. So this is the component. Here we are using the styles. We are manually defining the styles. Let's do one more thing, then we will go to data components, data binding. One more thing is, let's see first how to use bootstrap. That means install and enable bootstrap. So we will install and enable bootstrap so that our designing will be easy instead of wasting time in designing the effects. Because when we are creating an application to make HTML more effective, interactive, better we can go with bootstrap. So how to install bootstrap and enable bootstrap for our Angular application, we will see. One simple point we will see. So that every day we can use this bootstrap for our project. Every day we will see that. So first point is to install bootstrap. What we need to do is go to the terminal. In the terminal, you have to just run the command. So here you have to run the command npm, that is node package manager, install, npm install, and you need to define npm install bootstrap. Npm install bootstrap will install bootstrap for your project. So this is the command. This is the command you have to run. So enter. So it will download and install bootstrap for your project. So it is downloading and installing Bootstrap for our project. Why? Because if we have Bootstrap, then every day designing our UI will be easy. We can simply apply the Bootstrap classes and design better. That is very mandatory also. In real world applications, especially user interface, means you need to be strong in HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. So in Bootstrap, so many templates are present. We can use them. So Bootstrap is ready. So once Bootstrap is ready, actually you know where it will be copied. Every package that you install through npm will be copied into a folder called node modules. It will be copied into node modules. So you have to install, that means open terminal and type the command. So the command is like this: npm install bootstrap. After installing Bootstrap, we have to enable Bootstrap for our project. So what we have to do is, after installing Bootstrap, let's go to the project. In this project, you will find the global CSS file. Global CSS file is actually present in the global CSS file is present in src folder. In src folder, you will find styles.css. Styles.css. You can see styles.css. You can add global styles to this file. So if you add global styles to this file, automatically the appearance will change. So you can see now, currently our page appearance is like this. Add Bootstrap. Bootstrap, whatever the package you install, it is copied into node modules. You can see in node modules. So there will be Bootstrap. I scroll down, there will be Bootstrap. I hope many of you know about Bootstrap repository. Generally, when you download Bootstrap, the repository will be copied so into this location. So your shopping app, in shopping app, so that is your shopping app. In the shopping app, you will get a folder node modules, node_modules. In the node modules folder, you will have Bootstrap. And in Bootstrap, you will have dist. And in the dist folder, you will have CSS. In that we have CSS. In the CSS, you will have the main file bootstrap.css. This is the file we need for development. If you are using for production we have to use bootstrap.min.css. These are the two files we need. Actually, we are in the development, then bootstrap.css is enough. So that is the CSS file we need. We can also use jQuery also. But we will not depend on jQuery here. We will use Bootstrap CSS. You can use Bootstrap jQuery also. Later I will